College, Sampaginagar, Dharwad. Last class we have discussed about the problems based on gratuity. Gratuity, employees covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972 and employees not covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. In this class we have to discuss other two problems regarding the gratuity. This problem is very simple, easily you can understand and score the good marks in your exams. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ 5 marks ಒಂದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಸಹಿತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ, I hope you will understood the concept of gratuity, and now we have to start the calculation of exempted and taxable gratuity under section 10 subsection 10 of the. Now first we have to read the problem. Now calculate the exempted and taxable gratuity of the following assessee working in a private company. If the government company is given full amount is exempted ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಪೂರ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ನಾ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಯಿಟಿ. ನಾ he retired on 31st 3 2019. Now they have given the information regarding the partner C and assessee D. Now completed year of service 38 years and 5 months. Here the employees not covered under the Gratuity Payment Act, the part of services is not considered. Employees covered under the Gratuity Payment Act, part of the services is considered. In this problem 5 months ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ, 6 month ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು, more than 6 month ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we have to consider the part of services, if not ignored it. 38 year 5 months ಐತಿ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳಿ, 38 years ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಅಸೆಸಿಟಿ 35 years 11 months. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಯಿಟಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 35 years 11 months ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. 35 years 11 months ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 36 years ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಯಿಟಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Employees not covered under the Gratuity Payment Act, part of the services is not considered. Here the part of the services is not considered. Consider ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ, I hope you will understood the ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಯಿಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸಿ 10,600 and partner B 18,000 rupees ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಯಿಟಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಸಿ 3,50,000 and an assessee D 5,30,000. Calculate the exempted and taxable gratuity of the Mrs. C and D for the assessment year 2020 and 21 and the previous year 2019 and 20. Now we have to calculate the employees covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. First we have to calculate the employees covered under the Gratuity Payment Act. After that we have to calculate the employees not covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. First is employees not covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. Here we have to calculate the calculation of taxable and exempted taxable and exempted gratuity of Mr. C for the assessment year 2020 and 21. Now, particular rupees. First, we have to write the actual gratuity received. How much? Actual gratuity received 3,50,000 less exemption under section 10, subsection 10, list of the following. List of the following. First, actual gratuity received. First one, actual gratuity received. How much? 3,50,000. Next, maximum limit. Maximum limit is 20 lakh. Covered under the gratuity payment act, the maximum limit 20 lakh, and then not covered under the gratuity payment act, the maximum limit is 10 lakh. Here, not covered under the gratuity payment act, that is maximum limit is 20 lakh. Next, 15 divided by 26 into average salary into number of years of service completed. Now 15 divided by 26 into average salary, how much? 10,600 into number of years of service completed. Here 38 year 5 months part of the service is not considered because more than 6 months ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ we have to consider. Less than 6 months ಅದ consider ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 38. 15 divided by 26 into 10,600 into 38 is equal to 2,32,384.6. 2,32,284.384.6. 3,50,000 is the actual gratuity and the maximum limit is 20 lakh, and then 15 divided by 26 into average salary into number of years of service completed is equal to how much? 2,32,384.4. Now list of the following ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು we have to consider. Now 3,50,000, 20 lakh and 2,32,384.6 is equal to ಯಾವುದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ 2,32,384.6. Now 3,50,000 minus 2,32,384.6 is equal to 1,17,615. 1,17,615.4. 1,17,615.4 is the taxable gratuity. Taxable gratuity is equal to 1,17,615 615.4 is the taxable gratuity, and then exempted gratuity is 2,32,384.6. Now, A calculate monthly employees covered under the gratuity payment at 1972 na ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Actual gratuity, calculation of taxable and exempted gratuity of Mr. C for the assessment year 2020 and 20. Actual gratuity received 3,50,000 less exemption under section 10, subsection 10, list of the following. Actual gratuity received how much? 3,50,000. Actual gratuity received 3,50,000. Next, maximum limit. Maximum limit is not covered under the gratuity payment act. 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh. Next, half of the average salary for the each completed years of service. Each completed year of service. Now, half into average salary into number of years of services into number of years of service. Half average salary how much? 10,600 into number of years of services is 38. Half into 10,600 into 38 is equal to 2,01,400. 2,01,400. Now 1,35,000. Sorry, 3,50,000, 10 lakh and 2,01,400. Whichever is less. List of the following amount is 2,01,400. 2,01,400. Now 3,50,000 minus 2,01,400 is equal to 1,48,600. 1,48,600 is the taxable gratuity of Mr. C, and 2,01,400 is the exempted gratuity of Mr. C, not covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. I hope you will understood the calculation of covered under the Gratuity Payment Act and not covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. Now, last problem, part D. D partner calculation ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Since employees covered under the Gratuity Payment Act, calculation not employees covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. In that, first we have to calculate the calculation of taxable and exempted gratuity for the gratuity of Mr. D. Gratuity of Mr. D for the assessment year 2020 and 2021. 2020 and 2021. First, particulars, rupees and rupees. Now, actual gratuity received. Actual gratuity received. How much? 5,30,000. Actual gratuity received 5,30,000 less. Same exemption under section subsection 10. List of the following. Now, first we have to write the actual gratuity received. Actual gratuity received is 5,30,000. Actual gratuity received 5,30,000. Next, covered under the Gratuity Payment Act is there. Maximum limit is 20 lakh. Maximum limit is 20 lakh. Next, last 15 divided by 26 into salary into number of years of services. Number of years of services. Now 15 divided by 26. Salary how much? 80,000 into number of years of services. 35 years 11 months ಇದೆ. 11 months ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? More than 6 months ಐತಿ. More than 6 months ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ we have to consider the part of services in covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. That is 35 years 11 months is nothing but 36 years. 36 years. 15 divided by 26 into 80,000 into 36 is equal to 3,73,846. And 3,73,846.2. Now, ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We have to consider the amount. 5,30,000 or 20 lakh or 3,73,846.2. ಯಾವುದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ? 3,73,846.2. 3,73,846.2. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 530 ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3,73,846.2 is equal to 1,56,153.8. 1,56,153.8 is the taxable gratuity. Taxable gratuity is 1,56,153.8 and exempted gratuity is 3,73,846.2 is the exempted gratuity. I hope you will understood the calculation of exempted and taxable gratuity if the covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. Exempted gratuity how much? 3,73,846.2 and taxable gratuity how much? 1,56,153.8. Actual gratuity 5,30,000 and exemption under section 10 subsection 10 list of the following actual gratuity 5,30,000 maximum limit covered under the gratuity payment act is come to the 20 lakh. 15 divided by 26 into salary into number of years of services completed. 15 divided by 26 into 18,000 into 36 is equal to how much? 3,73,846.2. Whichever is less, we have to consider 3,73,846.2. 5,30 minus 3,73,846.2 is equal to 1,56,153.8. Now we have to calculate the employees not covered under the gratuity payment act. Employees not covered under the gratuity payment act. Next calculation. Calculation of taxable and exempted gratuity of Mr. D for the assessment year 2020 and 21. Particulars rupees and rupees. First we have to write the actual gratuity received. How much? 5,30,000. 5,30,000 less exemption under section 10 subsection 10 list of the following. A actual gratuity received. How much? 5,30,000. Now B maximum limit. Maximum limit is equal to not covered under the gratuity payment act. Maximum limit is 10 lakh. C half of the average salary for the each completed year of services. Now half into average salary into number of years of service. Number of years of service. Now half into average salary, how much? 18,000 into number of years of services. Part of the services is not considered. 35 years and 11 months is equal to 35 years. 35 years. Half into 18,000 into 35 is equal to 3,15,000. 3,15,000. Now, whichever is less, we have to consider the amount. 5,30,000, 10 lakh and 3,15,000. Whichever is less, 3,15,000. 3,15,000. 5,30,000 minus 3,15,000 is equal to 2,15,000. 2,15,000 is the taxable gratuity. Taxable gratuity 3,15,000. Exempted gratuity is equal to 3,15,000 and taxable gratuity is equal to 2,15,000 in case of employees not covered under the Gratuity Payment Act 1972. I hope you will understood the concept of gratuity. Calculation of how to calculate the taxable and exempted gratuity. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಕಾಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.